So, network hardware is what we learn. Um, see, in network last lecture, what we did was users of computer networks, right? Do you all remember that? And
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, and by the way, I had asked you all to do some portion of this for self study. I hope you all know that. Still, at the end of the session, I'll just tell you all exactly what you have to do. Now, I'll be emailing this PPT also to Sakshi and Ruksar. Make sure that you all are circulating it, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So what do you mean by network hardware? See, for any network to function, basically, network is what? Combination of devices which are linked together. Now, this linking is why? Because we want the communicating devices to communicate with each other, and that is the reason why we come into one network. See, your class is one network, right? Why will your class be called as a network? Because you all are related to each other. You all are students of third year BCA, right? So there is a network. There's a communication interchange which happens between each one of you, and so we call your class as a network of students. Basically, there are network of various devices, which includes your computers and other nodes. Now, whatever devices which connects in the network or which forms the network, we term it as nodes. Okay. Now there are for network to function, we require some protocols, we require some softwares, and we require some hardware. Okay, now when you have to learn about the hardware, you have to first understand two transmission technologies which happens when a network is set up. Now the first transmission technology that we're going to talk about is broadcast network. Now what happens in broadcast, Nisa, suppose if I shout out one name, let's say Farheen. Okay, now you all are 50, I think 54, 55 of you all. Now I am pointing out to one person, but when I shouted Farheen, everybody of you heard that, though you all were not the receiver, right? So in broadcast, what happens is we are sending the packets, the messages are sent onto the network using a single communicating channel so that all the machines on the network are receiving it. Okay. Now, see, in broadcast, another example would be, airport pay when there is this call for passengers for a particular flight. Now, there are so many passengers sitting. Okay. But then there is, suppose if I call, all the passengers boarding flight number CS, whatever, 1001. So all the flights, all the passengers who are going to board this flight will be the actual users, right? But I am broadcasting it. Broadcasting it means I am sending it to everybody, but the concerned machine will receive it and will process it. That's broadcasting. I hope you all understood. Now, in broadcasting, what happens is, first of all, see, if you read the second point, allows the possibility of addressing a packet to all destination using a special code in the address field. Now, what do you mean by packet? See, on the network, when there are messages being transmitted from one place to the other, the messages are big in size, right? So what happens is they kind of break the messages into small chunks, and that is known as a packet. Okay, so basically whatever is being transmitted here and there, we term it as packet. Okay, so in broadcast क्या होता है, हर एक पैकेट को एक डेस्टिनेशन मतलब एक कोड दे देंगे, एक स्पेशल कोड दे देंगे एड्रेस फील्ड में, तभी पता चल जाएगा सब मशीन्स को कि ओके दिस इज अ ब्रॉडकास्ट मैसेज, क्योंकि वो जो कोड रहता है दैट सिग्निफाइज दैट दिस इज अ ब्रॉडकास्ट मैसेज. ओके, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? समझा? हेलो,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
समझा या नहीं समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you all are broadcasting, you all are giving the message to everybody using one channel. One channel. Now that announcement was one channel, one communication channel, but it reached out to so many people. That is broadcasting. Okay? I hope you all have understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So when a packet with a broadcast code is transmitted, it is received by every machine and it is processed. Okay, and this mode of communication is known as broadcast. Now there is a variation in it in broadcast, which is also known as multicasting. Now multicasting में क्या होता है? Okay, so there is this network, okay, of let's say 100 machines, and those 100 machines को I have divided into 5 groups. ठीक है? Now see, हर एक मशीन अपने आप को एक ग्रुप नंबर के इसमें सब्सक्राइब कर देगा. Suppose if I am one machine, so I will subscribe myself to, let's say, group number 1. Okay, so I belong to group number 1. वैसे ही the other machine will subscribe to some other group. So we have an identity that we belong to certain group numbers. Now in multicasting, if you read the last bullet, what happens in multicasting? One bit is reserved to indicate that it is a multicasting message. Okay, so let's say, for example, we use the code M, which denotes that this is a multicast message. The remaining bits are used to hold the group number. I told you just now, group number. If I am a machine, I have assigned myself, I have subscribed myself to group number 1. So the remaining address का जो field रहता है ना, address bits, उसमें क्या आएगा? Group number आएगा. और ये message, this packet is traveled, it's thrown onto the network. So when the machines receive this, if my group number matches, see, the packet will be received by only, suppose if the packet says M and group G. So suppose M G5. So the packet will be routed to, it will be received by all the machines that are subscribed to group 5. And it will understand that this is a multicast message. Is that understood? And I am not saying that when it is group, that means, see, Jesse, when I say group, quickly the picture that comes into your mind is, okay, this a separate independent group of people, groupism जो class में होता है, जो together रहते हैं एक साथ. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Network में there are machines which are widespread. Okay, so if there is one machine here at this location, there will be other machine at this location. Okay, and both would be belonging to same group number. So if this machine belongs to group number 1, this machine may belong to group number 1, though they are little geographically far off. So when I say that they subscribe themselves to a group, that doesn't mean that they are collectively at one location. So when there is a message which has to be multicasted, it will go along with a certain number of bits, wherein the initial bits would be allocated to signify that it is a multicast message, and the remaining bits would be allocated to signify the group number. So the machine belonging to that group number will receive the message, and this is known as a multicast transmission technology. Is that understood?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Sure?
I didn't get it, ma'am.
You did not
Thank you so
understand? See, I'll just repeat it. Now, multicast nahi samjha na? So see, now in a network, there are many machines, okay? Now, if suppose there are 100 machines and each 100 machine has subscribed themselves to a particular group, okay? Group number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So suppose if I am a machine, a computer or a node in the network, I have subscribed to group number, let's say 2, okay? वैसे ही Sakshi is group number 2, Fareen is group number 2. I don't know more names. Akshaya is group number 3. Okay, Anjali maybe is group number 1. So suppose if we all are in the network and we have subscribed ourselves to different group numbers. Now there is one host machine. That host machine is sending a message. Now in that message or packet, see, whenever any packet or any message is routed onto the network, उसमें address field रहता है ना destination का. Otherwise where it will go? Okay, so उसके address field में क्या रहता है? The first bit is preserved for to signify that packet is a multicasted packet. So let's say we use the code M. Okay, and the remaining bits जिसमें हम लोग actually see otherwise अगर किसी एक ही machine के पास में मुझे ये packet भेजना है तो I will have to give that machine's IP address, right? But in multicast the receivers are many. There's not just one receiver, the receivers are many. So will you give uh, the IP address of all the machines? If there are 50 such machines, if there are 50 such machines, will you give IP address of 50 machines? No. So what happens is those 50 or those machines subscribe themselves to a group number. So in the packet's address, what is written in the address field? The group number. Now suppose हमने there is one packet which has to be multicasted. Now in this packet, the first bit will be M because it is multicast. The remaining bits will be
Number.
signify the group number. Now group number 2 में कौन था? Me, कौन था? I forgot.
Sakshi and Farid.
You Farin.
Yeah, it was me, Sakshi, and Farheen. So when a host sends such kind of packets with, let's say, address field में रहेगा MG2. This is the address field. So MG2. So when the packet is received, when the packet is thrown on, the nodes know that it is a multicasted message and it has to be reached by all the machines that are subscribed to group number 2. So अपने केस में मुझे मिलेगा, साक्षी को मिलेगा और फरीन को मिलेगा. So multicast हुआ है. There's not just one receiver. Destination is not one. Destination is multi. That is known as multicasted. But still not all. Broadcast में क्या है? Everybody. Everybody will receive. But multicast is a filtered word. Do you understand now?
So, ma'am, basically yes, ma'am, multitasking, basically there are groups. And in broadcasting, there are no groups. There is a open network, you can say.
There are no groups. जितना भी all the machines in the network, everybody will receive that message.
और मैम मल्टी कास्टिंग में मतलब वो जो पैकेट
I'm not able to hear you.
हेलो
Yes, Akshaya.
हेलो
Yeah.
मैम multicasting it will be the packet will only go to those which are
Just hold on a minute. Are you done, beta? हाँ बोलो क्या अक्षय बिल्कुल आवाज नहीं आई मुझे तुम्हारी.
हेलो मैम
या
मैम मल्टी कास्टिंग में सिर्फ वो पैकेट पे जिसका ग्रुप नंबर है वो सिर्फ उसी को जाएगा ना मैम मतलब बेसिकली
हाँ यस जिस ग्रुप नंबर का
ब्रॉडकास्टिंग में सबको जाएगा
सबको जाएगा.
यस मैम
मल्टीकास्ट में
समझ गए.
सिर्फ ग्रुप में जाएगा जो ग्रुप नंबर आप वहां दोगे.
यस मैम यस मैम यस मैम
अंडरस्टूड.
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Okay. I think we're clear, right? Can I move ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, see, there was something called as broadcast multicast, and now there is, one second, point to point. See, here there are two transmission technologies which I was talking about. One is broadcast, and the variant in broadcast is multicast. Another technology is point to point links. Can you all give me an example of point to point connection? Which, I mean, any example of any reference to what we studied earlier regarding point to point links? What do you mean by point to point links? Point to point links, do you all remember mesh topology?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so that's a very good example of point to point networks, point to point links. Point to point links में क्या होता है? Connection is there between individual pairs of machines. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So see, in contrast, point-to-point networks consist of many connections between individual pairs of machines. You all remember mesh, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll show you the diagram again. So from the source, if the packet has to go from source to the destination, it will have to visit one or more intermediate machines. Just have a look here. See, this is a broadcast network. On one communication channel, the host is transmitting messages which is received by all the machines on the network. This is broadcast. Okay. Point to point. See, there is a point to point connection between these two. There's a point to point connection between these two. Right? There's a point to point connection between these two. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, suppose, for example, this link is not working, huh? Assume that this link is not working, and the message has to travel from this machine to this machine. Are there multiple routes? Or maybe, chalo,
Yes.
it's working. Assume, don't no need to assume. But to reach a packet to reach from source machine to the destination machine, there are multiple routes. Ek route ye hai, another route is this. Then there is direct connection. So in point-to-point connection, क्या होता है? The packet will have to travel through intermediate nodes to be received by the destination. That is point-to-point connection. मतलब this machine is having a direct connection with this machine. That is point-to-point network. Simple, very simple. Okay. Now, when in a point-to-point network, there is one variant which says that if there is one sender and one receiver, that is known as unicasting. See, point-to-point transmission with one sender and one receiver is something known as unicasting. So now you have to give me an example. What would be unicasting here? Suppose if this is 1, this machine is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to tell me the source and the destination and how it makes a unicasting connection. Anyone? See, suppose if this machine is the source machine and this machine is the destination machine. So there is one sender and one receiver.
Yes, ma'am.
This is known as
Yes, ma'am.
unicast. This is known as unicast. When there is one sender and one receiver, is sometimes known as unicasting. So these are the two network transmission technologies which I wanted to discuss with you all today. Very simple broadcast and point-to-point. In broadcast, one message is routed on a common communication channel and it is received by everybody in the network. A variant of broadcast would be, a type of broadcast is multicast, wherein the machines on the network are they subscribe themselves to a particular group number. So when a message has to be multicasted, the packet or the message will have the address as the first bit will be denoted by M. Any code which signifies that it is a multicasted message, and the remaining n-1 address bits will signify the group number. So if the group number is 2, it will be received by all the machines which have subscribed themselves to group number 2. And that is multicast. Point-to-point connection would be, point-to-point network would be networks which have a direct connection between the machines, which have one connection between the machines. Okay, that is known as point-to-point network. Got it? And now type of point-to-point connection is unicast, when there is one sender and one receiver. Revised. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Sorry.
I have a doubt.
हाँ बोलो.
In point-to-point network, suppose if one machine wants to send a message to other two machines, so how the message will be delivered?
Sorry. So look.
In point
One second. Huh?
in point-to-point network, shall I speak, ma'am?
I am not able to hear you at all.
Hello.
हाँ, बोलो बोलो.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, Riddhi. So you are asking in point-to-point connection.
Yeah. In point-to-point network, if suppose one machine wants to send the message to other two machines, so you
So
will
in
follow multicast.
no, it will be treated as two separate connections, huh?
Okay.
This machine wants to send message to this machine also and this machine also. So the packet will be routed here also and here also. It will be
Okay.
a point-to-point connection. So
So there will be a different IP address for
what?
machines. There will be different IP addresses na, for both the machines separately.
Addresses, yes, in the packet. पैकेट का डुप्लीकेट कॉपी बनेगा. Okay, understood? Good question.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, so this girls, I had asked you all to do wireless networks for self-study. So I'll tell you all that from slide. I don't know the number. I think it is 38. I don't know the exact number, but wireless networks ये तुम लोगों को इतना खुद से करना है till wireless WANs. Try doing it. Let me know if you will have any doubt. Okay.
Yes,
There are going to be further more topics for self-study. सेल्फ स्टडी का नाम सुन के एकदम ऐसे ठंडे मत पड़ जाओ. ऐसा नहीं बोला मैंने कि मैं बिल्कुल भी हेल्प नहीं करूंगी, है ना, बट ट्राई एटलीस्ट बिकॉज वी वांट टू inculcate that habit of research into you all, which is why we give you all self-study. I don't know about other teachers, but this is the reason why I give self-study topics, so that you all do some research, do some group study. Okay?
yes, ma'am.
We will quickly finish with दो छोटा छोटा topics, which is one is home networks and the other is internet. Internet तो तुम लोगों को सबको पता ही है क्या है ना, हमारी रोजी रोटी है internet. So home internet network we know it's a collection of all the interconnected networks. One LAN to one WAN, a LAN to 5 WANs, WAN to LAN, all this kind of internetwork, interconnected networks. Iska combination is known as internet. Okay. Home networks is, see, one very interesting concept of networking is its utilization in home setup. When this book was written, that was way back, right? So they that time all ये Bluetooth, smart home और ये सब तभी नहीं आया था. So that time it was a prediction made that very soon future homes would be all network based homes. Now, when we were buying this flat around 8-9 years back, we saw one Mahindra's, क्या कहते हैं, sample flat, right? So वो हमने देखा था जाके. It was a smart home. So that time it was a very this concept that oh my god, smart home and then smart home का इतना पैसा. So it is like if you are not at your home, all right, and if you're coming from, if you're heading towards your home and you're feeling very hot, so तुम रास्ते में से ही अपने घर का AC on करके रख सकते हो, right? And when you reach home, you are all cool because the AC is already on. So this is smart home. Smart home का another example would be ये sensor based, जितने भी sensor based technologies है, जैसे मैंने वो महिंद्रा के फ्लैट में देखा था शायद, रात को आप लोग उठते हो नींद में to use the washroom and then you bang your head here and you look out for the switches and all that. But in smart homes, what happens is you just go into the washroom and it will sense your presence and automatically the switch will be on. So you need not search for the switches. It will sense your presence and automatically the lights will be on. Now, once you leave the washroom, automatically it will be off. Okay. Then all your these meter readings and ACs and all these gadgets can be in network. ओके नाउ अगर मैं घर से बाहर चली गई और मैं भूल गई एसी बंद करना, तो मैं बाहर रह के भी अपना एसी बंद कर सकती हूँ, घर का गैस बंद कर सकती हूँ. So this is smart home. So that time it was predicted that future homes are going to be smart homes. Okay, all the devices could be accessible using over the internet. All right. So they have, they have categorized some areas where your home could be into networks. Jैसे first is computers. So computers, so obviously suppose if you like it used to be a desktop with a printer, a scanner, attached. So these are all shared peripherals which used to be. So it was in connection, it was in network, right? If it is connected to a PC, it is definitely in network to that PC connection. No? So that is computers. Entertainment में TV, DVD, VCR, camcorder. Camcorder means it's a video recorder. Okay. पहले आता था ये. I don't know whether it is still available or not. Then camera, then MP3 players, all these entertainment categories would be, what they are saying is this would convert into a smart home. So these are the areas, these are the categories where your appliances would be accessible over the internet. So now sitting outside, I can switch on and off my TV. Just say one very good example is अगर मुझे CCTV camera लगाना है, if I am a working parent and my child is alone at home with the maid, then I have my CCTV installed, and anywhere, wherever I am outside, I can access my CCTV. How am I doing that? It is with the help of internet, because I'm able to access that CCTV over the internet. Okay. Telecommunications, mein telephone, mobile net, your mobile phone, it's all in network based. Abhi, y'all belong to this generation. Y'all are seeing the smart homes. Y'all are seeing the smart appliances. But that time it was not the case. So when you read the text, you will feel that ye kya hai? Ye to abhi hai, But then that's the text that you have. Okay. So in appliances, microwave, refrigerator, furnace. Furnaces means those heaters hote na? Those are furnaces. Then clocks, airco means your air conditioners and ACs and lights. All these would be accessible using internet. And then the telemeter, of course, which is your this baby camera, CCTV camera, फिर जितने भी utility meters है, gas meter है, alarms है, all these are home net. These are appliances where your appliances can be accessible over the internet. So they have categorized it into 5 obvious categories, which could be, now these are very prominent categories of them being converted onto the internet-based appliances. Okay? So this is home networks, and internetwork, I told you what it is. It is a collection of various interconnected networks, the entire web. That is the reason why we call it as WWW, web, World Wide Web. So it's a web of all the connections, of all the LANs, all the WANs coming together. That is known as internet. Here we finish with the very basic theory of DCN, which is fundamental. Now from here, your actual technical stuff is going to start. Okay, so this we will do it from the next lecture, not today. So one second.